Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back. I know I ain't made a riding video, but my GoPro, it won't even turn on. Like, I think it's broke, really. So that's why, like, no excuse, it won't turn on. I need to get a new one or something, but I'm gonna just do a walk around video. That's the thing. I've had it for, I got it in 2020. I've had it for 4 years now, almost. October, October will make 4 years. But I'll tell y'all what all I've done to it since I've got it. Y'all know I started with just a snorkel, 28s. Then I got a rad kit. I've had 32s on here, 29.5 assassinators, 31s right now. But I started with a short snorkel. I extended it. As you can see, I got some stickers on there, just a BrodyTrump one, some just Honda boats ones, random bracelets. But then we got the rad kit from Mud Shark. Got it pretty cheap. I think like 180. Yeah, that's why I bought it. Tinted headlights, the spray tint. Had a winch, it's still on there. Cable's broke right now. I want to replace it with some synthetic rope. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then 31 Outlaws, all wides. They're all 31, 11, 14s. As you can see right there, 31, 11, 14, if it'll focus. Yeah, but lift setup. I don't know if you can see it, but shocks maxed out. And then just a 2-inch bracket lift, front and back. Yes, floorboards are cut a little right there. You can see the bracket lift. I've spray painted it, but it's down there at the bottom. It was like some bronze color. I spray painted it black. Just rebuilt the rear end, basically. Still the same diff. I didn't completely rebuild it. I just put a new axle, new wheel bearings, new hubs, new studs, all that on there because it needed it. Why is the camera not focusing? That's odd. All right. On some 14-inch MSAs. I don't exactly know the name. I traded for these assassinators. They was messed up. 2 of them came off the bead, and I just didn't feel like dealing with it. And I wanted something bigger, so that's what I got. But these wides, dude, they're so wide. The other ones I had were all 32 by 9, so they didn't scrub bad. But if y'all can see that, like, that's literally how close we are right there. So it scrubs. It's been eating away at right there on both sides. Like, you can see where it hits it when you hit bumps and turn and stuff. It scrubs a little on the turn. Mainly if you turn this way, it hits the winch because they're so wide. It eats that up pretty bad, but it tore this floorboard a little too. Well, I got a mud strap. I won this in the giveaway. I had a Can-Am one, but I won that one in the giveaway on Instagram. I didn't even know I was in it. They just DM'd me and told me they were shipping it to me. I was like, bet. I'm trying to remember who did the giveaway. It might have been Honda Boats. And if you're wondering what this is, just a homemade speaker mount for my JBL. I need new Honda stickers because these been peeling for the longest. I've had that Vineyard Vines one on there for the longest. And only boat sticker. Just a little Pelican dry box. Would recommend. I got it off Amazon a while back for pretty cheap. And it does hold a good seal. And it holds water good. It keeps water out good. My bad. And if you're wondering why the bolts are here, I lost them little pins. I didn't have none. So I just got it rigged up right now with just a bolt, a washer, and a nut on the back. Honda Boats, flowboard pegs. If you're gonna water ride and you're gonna be like barefoot on here, you must have, so your feet don't get ate up by them factory spikes. Some things suck. They hurt your feet, and them just look so much cleaner in my opinion than the factory spikes. And I got them on this side. Bolt broke off right here. I'm really just showing you this thing's a rag. Bolt broke off in there. I had it glued on. I need to drill the bottom piece out. I tried one day, but I never really gave it much effort. I gave up after a minute, and it's just been like that since. But I need to do something about that. I need a new seat too. This is for my dog. This is just wear and tear from having water in it constantly. If you're wondering how my snorkels ran, no PVC. It's just all flex hose straight back to the air box. Kept it simple, made it quick. We got a Honda boat tag. I forget I had that too. Nice little touch. I got it a while back. They sell them on Honda Boats website. Ain't hard to find. I think they still got them. It wasn't real expensive when I bought it. But I don't got no gear reduction, none of that, because it's only a 2-wheel drive. For those of y'all that don't know, no front axles, none of that. It's a base model. That's why I don't got a screen. But it's a 2021. I'll see if I can find the little dealership tag. I got to remember where it was. I ain't checked in a minute. Oh, there it is. That'll focus. 2021. I got it off the showroom floor a while back. I think I was in 7th grade. Yeah, 7th grade. I'm going to 11th now. Like, I've had it a minute. But it's been a good four-wheeler. It smokes a little. It's been sunk twice. One time without a snorkel, then I rolled it in the pond. And it's still on the same top end. It smokes a little. I'd say I add oil probably. I'd say I ride it every day. I add oil every 2 to 3 weeks. It don't really burn oil bad, just on the start off, or when it's been cold, it'll smoke a little and then it'll kind of quit. But yeah, I've had it for a while. I like it. It's been a good four-wheeler. I was just going to do a walk around. I figured that's a video I could do for y'all. And it's been a good four-wheeler overall. So that's all I really got to say about it. Peace out. I'll see y'all in the next.